Hello my people, good afternoon to you all. How are you guys doing? Yes, I just say make I carry this message come as e dey hot so, because the one wey be say I see for Instagram, I don't know whether another first thing about Davido and Chioma. I just get small message for Davido and Chioma. Davido, abeg, I use God beg you, wetin you search for Instagram, I see am. My advice for you now, go and redo that test again. My people, may I read wetin Davido write for Instagram for them if you never first see am. He say, Mona hear me o. Davido say he newly come from America. During this crisis when we dey so, based on wetin dey ground so, na make me dey talk this one so. Davido newly come from America. Chioma newly come from London with her baby. So as dem reach Naija now, based on wetin dey ground, you know say na Europe na we na abroad na the thing for fair sup before he go Africa. So now dem still dey bring am come Africa o. Then when they travel dem no fit sit down for one place. I no tell you say na Davido and Chioma bring am come Africa, because e don even full everywhere for Aso Rock before this one come out. So Davido say as dem reach Nigeria now, dem say make dem go do test based on say wetin dey sup for where dem for dey come, make dem still go test their self. Dem come carry their self and people when dey around dem. Some people wey still waka with Davido and Chioma go do the test. As dem reach there now, my people, among 32 people when dem be 32, na im dem be go do test o. Dem say na only Chioma na im come out positive. Even baby when Chioma dey breastfeed na negative. Davido, when me and you know say, me and you when dey here so know say Davido, if you never touch Chioma a day, na a day ke abi na 1 hour. Not just let Chioma dey around Davido, na so e dey touch am pepe. You know na, if Davido never touch Chioma, e no dey rest. So me and you know say Davido go don kiss or he go don touch Chioma since when they say meet. So abi dem wear hand glove take touch each other. Me no understand. You understand? So why be say Chioma when be say dey breastfeed baby, he still dey breastfeed Davido na negative, Chioma na negative. Me, I not believe that one. Davido, I advise you, go and run another test. Go and not trust that test at all. Go and run another test for Chioma. Carry Chioma, so you hear this west so. Carry Chioma, come on, go another hospital, one I never fair go. You can't thank me later, and I made they tell you. God no go come from heaven, can't tell you to see wetin dey my pikin. You understand? Go test Chioma. If you test and finish, Chioma, we dey wait for you for Instagram. The way you take write and come and say you tested positive of an enemy COVID-19 or 20, we dey still dey wait for you. Make you come write and come and say you tested negative, or you don't go test Davido and baby or people when they around you, they tested positive like you. Because I not believe so only you want go fit carry that thing among 32 people when una gather dey there. Picking when you hold for hand dey there. I know say if God dey protect person, if they do and like say tomorrow no dey, but I say make you go do another test again. Now I see me and you dey talk. Go and test again. You go see and say you go come out negative. Go another hospital. You go see and say you go come out negative. I not trust that test for 1 era. Never. Davido, if Chioma no come out negative, you self continue to do your test with your baby and your people when they around you, because me know say you don't touch Chioma since. Now this one I say my carry come Davido, and as I dey talk to una, so Davido say he don't put Chioma for 14 days, whether na house arrest me one quarantine. They quarantine at here. They don't put Chioma for that kind of package. Now when be say nobody go near Chioma again for now. After 14 days, me no know wetin they want use, and they don't give am the necessary treatment. Now Chioma say Mona they pray for her. So Mona never to use na time pray for Chioma. Now Mona fair wait more hear from them. Make they go run another test again. You understand? Baby not get, papa not get, mama get, and where for they happen. It not work. So my people, now make me not agree. Because baby not get am, Davido not get am, close people when they did the same house, even friends, relations, they not get am. How you reason that kind of thing? As we dey talk now, Chioma dey quarantine for 14 days according to Davido. So I want make them go do that test again so that they go bring and come, and so we will know whether we go pray, we not go pray. Maybe we not dey pray for waiting no be am. Now my opinion be that one. So please share this video too, so that Davido go receive the video. Share the video, may reach where Davido dey. Please guys, share this video. Davido need to see this option. God no go come from heaven come tell you say see wetin dey. Na me just dey tell una so say Chioma not be positive. If Chioma na positive, Davido should get ready for the positive also, because Davido dey always dey touch Chioma. He dey kiss Chioma. You know say Davido no go fit stay with Chioma when he never touch that thing, never kiss. So wetin come be the sorry my people for the noise, wetin come be the need when be say we go come hear say Chioma na A, Davido na B for one thing. So my people, share this video make e reach where Davido and Chioma dey. Tell Chioma go and do another test, bring it out for us. I'm waiting for you on your Instagram page as you take post and say I tested positive for the Guaratine abi coronavirus infection. So I want make you still bring am come out again like that. The way you take fair write am come out again say you don go check, you don lis ten to the wife of a king message, you go check again, not be positive na negative now, or you don go check again, you come confirm say another thing still happen. No be me go talk that one. I pray make e no happen in Jesus name. I pray as you go for another test, make you test negative. Na my option be that one for you. Thank you so much. Go for another tutor. Share my people.